Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Danielle and today we are going to talk about quick styling, how to do the best at-home blowout. So if you guys are interested in seeing if I found an exact dupe for the Revlon one, the Revlon blow dryer hair styler, which you know I love, please stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are revisiting the Revlon hair dryer. So you guys know I did a video on this. It's a ton of hair. And you know, I absolutely love it. It gave me an awesome blowout really quickly, you know, but I do know that a lot of people have been interested in getting their hands on one of these, but the price is a little much. It's about $50, $55. Maybe Black Friday, you might be able to get it on sale. I don't know, but you know, you see it at Walmart, Walgreens. It's between $50 or $60. So that's kind of an intimidating price point. I did go ahead and get this one. This is from the company Joyyum, and it is a hair styler. It does spin, it does blow dry, and it spins. It is quieter compared to this one, but it comes with two different brush heads. I've never used this before, so we're gonna use it for the first time together, but it is significantly cheaper. And I guarantee you it'll probably be, you know, Black Friday's coming, Cyber Monday, might be a good little gadget to get your hands on. But it does come with a bigger barrel and then a smaller barrel, which I know a lot of people did not like. They thought that barrel size was too big if you had short hair. So this does have the option for my ladies with the shorter hair, or maybe if you wanted to get tighter and closer to the root if you had curly hair. So this is definitely, you know, giving you a little bit more options as opposed to the Revlon one. How do you take the, oh, you just press this? Hold on. Oh, okay, so you just press the button and you pull up. And then you just, oh, okay. So you press the button, you pull up, and that's how you exchange barrels, which is cool. And you just slide it back in. I dig that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to test it out. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. So there's no reason for me to lie. If this thing's awesome, then it's even better because me and Rhea have been fighting over this thing for months. And you know, if you have any teenage daughters, you completely understand. But yeah, like I had to go and like search her room for this right now. So anyways, we're going to give this a whirl, see if it's about the hype and if it's a better deal for you guys. So I am going to use a blowout spray. This is the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell. It is just a blowout mist type deal. There you go. You just spray it. It says blow it out when you blow it out, blah blah blah. Mist on damp hair, roots to end, section off, and then blow dry. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, my hair is, my hair is like damp. It's not like drenched wet, but it just was in the towel while I was getting ready, while I was putting my makeup on. Gotta comb through. I do use the wet brush. If you guys have hair, you should use one because it really just saves. And then I'm just gonna take my spray and just spray it on. I'm gonna use the bigger one for the bottom of my hair because my hair is a lot longer than it was when I did this video initially. I got some inches now. Not really, but I like to pretend. So a lot of people did complain about this brush, that it was very hot and very heavy, and that it got hot up here. I did buy mine from Walmart. This isn't like some bootleg I got off like some website. I bought mine from Walmart. It came in a Revlon box. It's legit, okay? This one is lighter for sure. This one is way lighter, and it doesn't seem as loud as this one either, but let's see if it does the trick, because you know I love that one. This is nice. Okay. So the trick is one way goes forward, one way goes backwards. So if you like to do like that, where it kind of swoops out, like that kind of curl, this is really great. Okay, I'm digging it. It's just, you know, you're trying to get the hang of it, but I like it. My hair is smooth too. And it gives like a nice curl at the end. I want to say it was about 10 minutes I used to be able to do my whole hair as a blowout. My hair is a little bit longer, so anything under 12, 15, take it as a plus. So let's do our hair and let's see. We spin it! Okay, I do want to say that this thing is going to be great for people who have curly hair. I do wish there was more bristles, like it was kind of not like these like plasticky ones. These are like soft ones, but I do wish there was more. Kind of like they call it like a boar's head brush, you know, where it's like super full. That would be really dope. Like it would give you super smooth, but you can really like just get up into your root. I just wanted to show you guys, and then you just literally, and then you just pull it. Look at that, it smooths it out for you. That is a very nice option for this. And if you had really tight curls, you can actually use a smaller attachment. So that's one thing that I think the Joyyum definitely did get up on the Revlon. I do want to say though, it does not get as hot. So it might take you a little bit longer, but sometimes, and I'm not like, my hair's damaged anyways, that Revlon does get really hot to the point where it kind of burns your hair a little bit. You could do like a cooler setting, but I always do like the hottest one. This one, I don't think you have to risk the risk of the hair damage because it doesn't get that hot. And because this is cool, 1, and then 2. So it does have the cool setting too if you wanted to set your blowout too. But all right, let's keep on doing this. Okay, so I will say this, guys, it is taking me a little bit longer, but I changed shampoos, and the brand I'm using, like, it really keeps my roots like wet. Like they stay wet for a really long time, so that can definitely be it. But the blowout is really nice. My hair looks really shiny. I think it's because it's that rotating brush. So yeah, this is definitely taking a little bit longer, but again, I don't know if it's because of my shampoo and my conditioner, because I noticed the other day when I used it, it took like even longer. So, all right, let's keep going. All right, I'm gonna change out this brush head. It does not get as hot as the Revlon brush. It does not get as hot as the Revlon brush. So I think it's probably won't cause as much damage, but it is going to have it is going to take you a little bit longer. That is what I'm going to say. So if you're more a person that is really on a time crunch, this might be a little bit of a deal breaker for you. But I do think it gives the hair a really, really nice shine. And I probably could use, since I have such processed hair, I should probably, you know, stay away from such high heat. But all right, so let's do this little head here.
You know, 'cause I can't let you go. No
right. Woo, that is some volume here. So what do you guys think? Wow. I'm really digging it, and the sun's going down, as you guys can tell. But I think it looks really good. Definitely a lot of volume, which you get from the spinning barrel, which I like. Definitely if you had like a curlier hair, I do wish, like I said, this barrel had more like thicker and like harder, coarser hair, like bristles. But it does do the trick though. It gets in there. So the trick I found, okay, first off, I've been using, and this is nothing against the brand, I've been using this Matrix shampoo, and it's, even when I air dry my hair, I've noticed that my roots stay like really wet. So I think even when I use that one, I try not to use my hair when it's soaking wet because it does damage the hair. So this one, my hair was pretty wet. It is 4:36, so about 25 minutes. But also like, that's just a lot had to do with me trying to figure out the rotation of the brush too. And my root was, no, I was like 410. So yeah, about 20 minutes. So it's about, it doubles the time as of the Revlon one. But I think this is awesome, especially if you have very coarse hair, you have short hair, or you have curly hair at the root, because this is going to get there and it's going to spin it out. It's definitely going to give you a lot more shine. And yeah, nonetheless, I still love this brush. I definitely think it's great. This one does not get as hot. So if you want something that is going to get really hot, this one does take a little bit longer. So, you know, that's something to think about. But I will link it down. It is on Amazon. I want to say it's maybe $25 cheaper than the Revlon. So whatever, you know, if you want to splurge, you could always splurge. But if you wanted to do something that was a little bit more budget friendly, this I think is a really great option. All right. So we are losing daylight as we speak. I hope you guys can probably see the light off my Christmas tree. And it's 4:37 and it's almost dark outside. That's daylight savings time for you. But to show you guys my hair, I think it looks really good. It feels really nice. I don't have a ton. Usually when I use this one, it does get a little smoky in here, so you didn't see that. But yeah, definitely would recommend this one. Again, you know, I'm not lying to you guys. If you guys wanted something that was quicker, then obviously, you know, this one you wanted something, if you didn't, the budget wasn't in mind and you were like, okay, which one is quicker? And if you're going for quickness, then probably the Revlon. But I definitely think this one is made for more hair types. This one again has those soft bristles, where this one has the plastic, so it's a little bit rougher. And this one does offer that spinning, which I enjoy for my roots, and it does give you a lot more volume. So yeah, there is my review. Hopefully you guys are digging it, and if you guys want to check one out for yourself, I will link it down below. And yeah, so here we go, giving you all the looks. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. We're running out of daylight. Hopefully, if you guys are in the market, let me know. If you guys have tried this one, have you been on the fence? What are your thoughts? Let me know. All right, I'm out of here. I love you guys. I will see y'all on the next one. Take it easy, friends.